Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about perimeter and area of rectangle and square. What is perimeter? The distance around the edge of a figure is called its perimeter. For example, sides given 2 cm, 3 cm, 2 cm and 3 cm. To calculate perimeter, we will add all sides of the figure. 2 cm plus 2 cm plus 3 cm plus 3 cm. So, perimeter of rectangle is 10 cm. We can use the formula also to calculate perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of a square equals to 4 into side. Let's understand perimeter with the help of few questions. First one, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 25 meter and 15 meter respectively. So, given is length 25 meter, breadth 15 meter. So, we will apply the formula perimeter of a rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into 25 plus 15, that is equals to 40. 2 into 40 equals to 80 meter. So, perimeter of a rectangle is 80 meter. Next question. Find the breadth of a rectangle whose perimeter is 360 centimeter and whose length is 100 centimeter. In this question, perimeter and length is given. We will have to find the breadth of a rectangle. Perimeter equals to 360 centimeter, length equals to 100 centimeter. Formula of perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Put the values. 360 equals to 2 into 100 plus breadth. 360 upon 2 equals to 100 plus b. 360 divided by 2 equals to 180. So 180 equals to 100 plus b. B equals to 180 minus 100 equals to 80 centimeter. So breadth is 80 centimeter. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 5 centimeter. Given side equals to 5 centimeter. Formula of perimeter of a square is 4 into side. Put the value 4 into 5 equals to 20 centimeter. So, perimeter of a square equals to 20 centimeter. Next question. Find the side of a square whose perimeter is 100 centimeter. In this question, perimeter is given. We have to find the side of a square. So, formula of perimeter equals to 4 into side, or we can use the formula side equals to perimeter divided by 4. So, S equals to 100 divided by 4. So, S equals to 25 centimeter. So, side of a square is 25 centimeter. Next question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 300 meter and breadth 200 meter at the rate of rupees 24 per meter. Given length equals to 300 meter, breadth equals to 200 meter. Formula of perimeter of a rectangle park equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Put the values. 2 into 300 plus 200, that is equals to 500. 2 into 500 equals to 1000 meter. Cost of 1 meter fencing equals to 24. So, total cost of fencing equals to 1000 multiplied 24. So, cost of fencing is 24,000. Next question. Shikha runs around a square of side 75 meter. Priya runs around a rectangle with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers a smaller distance? First, we will find Shikha covers distance. Side of a square equals to 75 meter. Perimeter equals to 4 into side. Put the value 4 into 75 equals to 300 meter. So, Shikha covers distance of 300 meter. Now, we will find Priya covers distance. Length of a rectangle 60 meter, breadth of a rectangle 45 meter, perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into 60 plus 45 meter, 2 into 105 equals to 210 meters. So Priya covers distance of 210 meter. Compare the perimeters. So Priya covers the smaller distance. Next question, the length of a rectangular field is twice its breadth. A man jogged around it 5 times and covered a distance of 3 km. What is the length of the field? Let breadth equals to x meter, length equals to 2x meter. Distance covered in 5 rounds 3 km. Convert distance in meter, that is 3000 meter. Distance covered in 5 rounds equals to 5 into perimeter, that is 3000 equals to 5 multiplied 2 multiplied L plus B. 3000 equals to 5 multiplied 2 into 2x plus x. 3000 equals to 5 into 2 into 3x. 3000 equals to 30x. X equals to 3000 divided by 30, that is equals to 100 meter. So breadth is 100 meter and length is 2 into 100 equals to 200 meter. Next topic is area. What is area? The area of a figure is the total amount of surface or space enclosed within its two-dimensional boundaries measured in squares, units like centimeter square or meter square. In this figure, shaded portion is the area of the figure. We can find the area of a figure with the help of formulas. So area of square equals to side into side. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, square units. Let's understand with the help of few questions. Find the area of a rectangle if its length and breadth are 28 cm and 120 mm respectively. We have length equals to 28 cm, breadth is equal to 120 mm. Convert into centimeter, that is equals to 12 centimeter. Area equals to length into breadth. Put the values. 28 into 12, that is equals to 336 centimeters square. So area of a rectangle is 336 centimeters square. Next question, find the area of a square whose side is 5 centimeter. So given side equals to 5 centimeter, formula of area of square is side into side. So area of a square equals to 5 into 5, 25 centimeters square. Next question, the area of a rectangle is 240 centimeters square. If its length is 20 centimeter, find its breadth. So given values are area of a rectangle 240 centimeters square, length is 20 centimeter. Formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth, or we can use a formula breadth equals to area divided by length. So B equals to 240 divided by 20 equals to 12 centimeters. So breadth of a rectangle is 12 centimeter. Next question, a marble tile measures 25 centimeter by 20 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover a wall of size 4 meter by 3 meter? So area of a wall equals to 4 into 3 meter square, that is equals to 12 meter square. We convert the value of area of wall in centimeter square. So 12 into 100 into 100 centimeter square, that is equals to 1,20,000 centimeter square. Now area of one tile equals to 25 into 20 centimeter square, that is equals to 500 centimeter square. So number of tiles equals to area of the wall divided by area of one tile. So 1,20,000 divided by 500, that is equals to 240. So 240 tiles will be required to cover a wall of size 4 meter by 3 meter. Next question, find the perimeter of a rectangular field whose length is 4 times its width and which has an area equal to 30,976 centimeter square. Let the width of the field be centimeter. Length of the field is 4 into b equals to 4b centimeter. Area of the field is b into 4b, that is 4b ka square centimeter square. But the area of the field is given as 30,976 centimeter square. Therefore, 4b square equals to 30,976. B square equals to 30,976 divided by 4, that is equals to 7,744. B square equals to 88 whole square. B equals to 88. So, width of the field is 88 centimeter. Length of the field is 4 into 88, that is equals to 352 centimeter. Hence, perimeter of the field 2 into length plus breadth, 2 into 352 plus 88, 2 into 440 equals to 880 centimeter. So, perimeter of the field is 880 centimeter. I hope you have understood the concept of perimeter and area. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.